Malaysian people all very nice.
Malaysian people very nice. Okay. Tengah order.
Hello.
They are still checking on the list. What you want to order?
Syarul.
Yes. Chicken pulau.
Tengok macam mana dia order makan. So memang menu dia berlambat lah. Biryani ada, banyak lah, sup lah. And Szechuan chicken. Heaven. Okay.
Malaysian people all very nice.
Malaysian people very nice. Okay, tell us your name. How long we've been together?
5 years, my customer. 5 years.
5 tahun, 5 years we've been coming to this shop since 2020 Dubai.
Good.
Very good, sir. Thank you. Okay, makanan dah sampai. Tali set dengan ikan. Ni dia orang sebenarnya belum lagi. Perota.
Ni dia filling. Nampak filling dia macam mana?
Perota. Oh, looks good ah. How's the taste?
Nice, very nice.
Alright. That's all. Only roti ni.
Roti ni.
You punya tengah tunggu.
Belum sampai. Ni